There's the socket drawer. Got all standard on the left, metric on the right. Kind of a mix in between. Some swivel head, metric 10-15. Knuckle saver, speeder handle, long 3/8, breaker 3/8, 14-foot cordless, 1/2-inch drive back there. Got a flex head, Harbor Freight breaker in there. Haven't broke it yet. Good old Pittsburgh. Got a 1/2-inch drive, snap on, Craftsman, 1/4-inch drive, snap on 3/8, snap on, 1/4-inch drive here. Swivel sockets or SFX. Can never have too many extensions. Got the Wobble Plus. 1/4-inch locking extensions. He's pretty awesome. Regular extensions, impact extensions, standard swivels, E-Torx. Miscellaneous 1/2-inch drive, adapters, drag link socket, universal stubby Allens, super stubby Allen, wheel key, oversized Torx, like a 60, I think. 6-point crow's feet. Love them fucking things. Good for hydraulic lines and shit. Some standard Allens. 3/8 gear wrench. John Deere. Snap on. Some miscellaneous crow's feet. Standard metric. Impact. 1/4-inch drive. Magnetics. Standard 1/4-inch. Long handle 1/4 drive. T0. This thing's fucking sweet. There's no gears in that one. Clutches. 0 degree. What else I got? Tamper-proof Torx. Magnetic stubbies. Magnetic deeps. Spark plug sockets. Some low tolerance sockets back there for rounded fasteners, standard and metric. And the gem of the drawer there. New canik rival. SFX. Pretty sweet rig. Definitely digging it. Empty we got in there now. Definitely like my toys. Thanks for tuning in.